Tesla, Incorporated is an American electric vehicle, EV, and clean energy company founded by entrepreneur Elon Musk, J.B. Straubel, Martin Eberhard, Mark Tarpenning, and Ian Wright in 2003. The company's primary focus is on the design, manufacturing, and sale of electric cars, energy storage products, and renewable energy generation solutions. Tesla's journey began with the Tesla Roadster, an all-electric sports car introduced in 2008. It was the first production car to use lithium-ion battery cells, which provided an extended range compared to previous EVs. Although the Roadster had a limited production run, it set the foundation for Tesla's future success and demonstrated the viability of electric cars. After the Roadster, Tesla shifted its focus to more affordable electric vehicles, starting with the Model S sedan in 2012. The Model S gained widespread recognition for its long-range capabilities, impressive acceleration, and luxurious features. It became a popular choice among electric car enthusiasts and helped establish Tesla as a serious player in the automotive industry. Tesla expanded its vehicle lineup with the introduction of the Model X SUV in 2015, featuring unique falcon wing doors and advanced safety features. In 2017, the company launched the more affordable Model 3, targeting a broader consumer market. The Model 3 quickly became one of the best-selling electric cars globally with its lower price point. Recently, Tesla introduced the Model Y compact SUV in 2020, offering similar features to the Model 3 but in a larger package. Additionally, Tesla has unveiled the Cybertruck, an all-electric pickup truck, and the Tesla Semi, an electric truck designed for commercial transportation. Working model. Tesla operates on a vertically integrated business model, which means it controls most aspects of its products, from design and manufacturing to sales and service. The company focuses on two main areas: electric vehicles. Tesla's electric vehicles are built from the ground up, integrating advanced battery technology, electric drivetrains, and autonomous capabilities. Tesla manufactures its vehicles at its own factories, including the Gigafactories, which are large-scale production facilities located around the world. Energy storage. Tesla develops and sells energy storage products, such as the Powerwall and PowerPack, which are battery systems designed for residential and commercial use.
4. Its success and potential. Tesla's success can be attributed to several factors like performance and energy efficiency. The company's focus on continuous improvement and advancements in battery technology have allowed it to deliver electric cars with longer ranges and faster charging capabilities. Supercharger network. Tesla has invested heavily in building a global network of supercharger stations, allowing its customers to travel long distances and recharge their vehicles quickly. In conclusion, the future of Tesla appears to be bright and promising. The company has positioned itself as a leader in the electric vehicle and clean energy industry, and its continuous innovation and technological advancements set it apart from its competitors. The company's ongoing investments in research and development, manufacturing capabilities, and expanding its product portfolio indicate its commitment to growth and staying ahead of the curve. In 2022, Tesla's revenue amounted to $81.462 billion, indicating a 51.35% rise from 2021 revenue. Overall, Tesla's continuous innovation, strong market position, and ability to adapt to changing trends provide a solid foundation for its future success and suggest a promising outlook for the company. Please support our channel EDU site by subscribing and liking our videos. For more exciting, informative and educational videos, please enable bell icon for getting notification when we upload our new videos. Thank you.